Good morning everyone. Today we will read chapter 6 bedtime. What we will read? We will read chapter 6 bedtime. Bedtime. What do you know about bedtime? What do you mean about bedtime? Bedtime is the time when we go to sleep. Bedtime is the time when we go to sleep. And it is the story of a little girl who is thinking at the time of his sleeping that what will she will do tomorrow. She is making a plan for the next day. Okay, so let's start with the text. It is bedtime. It is bedtime means it is time to go sleep. I lie in bed and think of the fun. She's saying that she is lying on the bed and thinking the fun of the next day, thinking about that fun which she will get tomorrow. I can have tomorrow means she is making a plan for the next day. I can dance around my room. I can sing my favorite song. She is planning that she will dance in her room tomorrow and sing her favorite song. I can go to the playground with my friends. We can go up and down the slide, zip, zoom. She is thinking that she will have fun tomorrow with her friend because she will go playground and there she will play with them on the slide, zip, zoom. Zip, zoom is the sound when the children come out from the slide. It is a sound. Turn the next page. Then she is saying, I can help in the kitchen. I can help mother in the kitchen. I may learn how to bake a cake. She is planning that she will learn that how to bake a cake with her mother. And she is saying that she will help her mother in the kitchen. Teddy bear and I can have a tea party. Then she will have fun with her toy teddy bear and she can have a tea party with it. I can blow bubbles in the air and burst them pop. Then she will play with its bubbles and there is other sound word, pop. Pop is the sound word when the bubbles burst. And she is saying that she will blow up bubbles in the air and then burst them with the sound pop. I can go to the zoo with a father and see naughty monkeys and a baby giraffe. Then she is saying that she will go to zoo with her father and there she will see naughty monkeys and a baby of giraffe. She is another plan with her father where they both will go to the zoo and they will have fun with the monkeys and baby giraffe. Now I am ready to sleep. Good night. Tomorrow will be a wonderful day. Then she is saying, she is wishing us good night and saying that she is ready to sleep and she is thinking that it is a wonderful day for her tomorrow because she has a lots of fun for the next day. Okay, I hope that you will understand all the things from this chapter. Thank you.